Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So it's 1:43 right now. It's our lunchtime, and because it's our lunchtime, that means we are already done with our workout and our morning routine and everything. So I thought of starting our vlog a little bit late today because I start mostly in the morning. But today let's start from our lunchtime. And as you guys know from our previous vlog, last night we went to Hot Pot and it was so good, so good, so good. We enjoyed so much. But we couldn't finish everything, so we have leftover. We bought home and we are gonna have that. And leftover, I mean, we don't have lots of noodles or something like that in the leftover. It's just the broth, the soup. So here is the soup right here. I'm gonna heat this up and I'm gonna break like 2 eggs, two for per person, like 2 for me and 2 for Maya, like how we did in the restaurant. And that's going to be our lunch. Like, it's still raining, it's cold weather, so again we're gonna enjoy this hot soup in this delicious weather. So let's heat it up. And while my soup is boiling, I'm just gonna quickly do the dishes. Okay, so it started boiling. I'm gonna break the egg. In 4 different places. And I drop it very gently. And done. I'll just cook for like 5 minutes and then done. And once this is heated up, the first thing I'm going to take out are the egg poaches, and I'll place it in my bowls, and then I'll take out the rest of the ingredients so that it doesn't break or anything. You can see they are boiling so nicely, and now I'm going to take them out one by one. You can see the poach here. Wow. The other poach. And now I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I'm gonna see you guys after lunchtime. I think I'm gonna do something creative or something, make something good. So I'll see you guys at the time.
Okay guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am off work and I am quickly gonna make some rice. And there's a lot of pressure on me because she has started making rice in Instant Pot and it comes out so damn good. So when I recommended her that I'm gonna make it in this, she's like, you know. So I have a lot of pressure that I can achieve the same kind of texture in the rice when I make it in open pot. So anyways, she's gonna make dal in Instant Pot while I cook the rice. So funny thing, we have these little scoops, and if you measure 8 of them, it equals to 1 cup. So I don't have to take out a cup outside ever. I can measure to these scoops. So these are the scoops that are in most of our boxes. So yeah, we get these with Herbalife boxes. So we have, these are our new measuring. So I've taken half cup of rice. Do you think half cup is enough? I think yes.
Yeah, this is also in the fridge.
So I'm just gonna make half cup of rice because the rice doubles itself. And I'm quickly gonna wash it and then get back to you. Okay, so I have kept my rice, as you guys can see, on a high flame. And I'm gonna wait till the water comes to boil. And what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna wash the rice again. So I'm gonna make the rice in a way where I'm gonna wash out the starch. So when the rice starts to bubble, like the water starts to bubble, you know, it starts making that kind of a foamy thing. That's when you know it's all the starch that's coming up. So if you wash the rice then, it eliminates a lot of starch. Hence, you might have heard a doctor prescribing a diabetic patient that you can have rice but try to take out the starch, like wash the rice in between its cooking. So anyways, that's how I'm gonna make it. And as I said, there's a lot of pressure on me on making this rice because someone's gonna kill me if the rice doesn't come out good. So let's see how the rice is gonna turn out today. Okay guys, look at this. This is what I was talking about, that when this starts to happen, just wash the rice thoroughly and you will see a lot of foam getting washed away, and then I am gonna put it back. She didn't know that I'm recording. Anyways guys, I was gonna show you the rice is ready and see how nice the rice came out to be. I mean, see, like it's completely separate, it's totally non-sticky, it's super awesome. See? So I think the rice is a pretty good success, and so is the song. So now we are gonna take Marvel for a walk after he is done having his food. Can you see him? He's reading right over there. Marvel, on your table, go! So he's gonna go wait on his table and I'm gonna go give him his food. So first let's just go and check on him. Look at him. He's waiting on his table. Sit! Mommy's bringing you dinner. Oh my god, look at him drooling. Why are you drooling so much? Mommy's bringing you dinner. You sit? Marvel, can you sit? Good boy. You're such a good boy. Now mommy's bringing you the dinner. Do your happy dance, happy dance.
Stay. Okay.
You're such a good boy. So anyways guys, we are gonna head out because it only takes hardly a minute for him. It is still raining and I hate this. She hates it too.
Yeah.
Because especially at the time when we have to take him out, and we gave him bath yesterday and he just gets all messy again and again. Anyways, so we'll see you after you come back from the walk. Okay guys, so we did a quick run to Publix and we were out. We wanted to get us the Kellogg's vanilla and almond. Let's go through the ingredients. So it has carbs, fiber, protein, and a lot of vitamins. Look at this guy, he just stole the bag. And we got one of the favorites, panera bread dressing, the Caesar dressing. We couldn't get the green goddess dressing, but we got the Caesar dressing. So here, do you see it now? So we got the Caesar dressing and we're gonna check out another store for another dressing, and we got the vanilla almond thing over here. So now we made dal and rice, so we are gonna have our dinner.
Are you really hungry? Okay guys, dinner is ready. I am having some plain dal and rice, very plain, just with a teaspoon of like ghee for good flavor, and that's it. That is our dinner, and we're watching a new series called Taken, right? And yeah, we're gonna be watching right now, and then we'll see you in some time. So guys, we're done with our dinner, and right now I have a spoon because we are gonna be eating this delicious TresLeChes.
I don't know how many of you guys have actually eaten this, but if you haven't, it is called TresLeChes.
Yeah.
And please make sure that you do when you get a time.
Yeah, this is from Publix.
Super amazing.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So good. And look at this guy. Look at this guy. You're not getting anything. Go on your bed. Go. Come on, go.
Okay guys, so we are done eating, and the series that we started, which is called Taken, it's an okay series. It doesn't, we are watching the second episode. It hasn't gotten, I think we are watching the third episode. It hasn't really got our attention yet. I mean, it's an okay series to us so far. So I don't know if you're gonna continue watching it or not, but anyways, that is it for today. We had an eventful day, and we had a great workout and everything. And Mom was done with the dishes, which I dared to do.
And also, this is a very rare sight that you can never, like, hardly see him doing the dishes. So he's doing it today.
This is one thing I hate to do, but not even if it's needed, then I will do it.
Yeah.
But today I'm just doing it for the sake. I'm like, okay. So almost done with the dishes, and I think we're gonna end our vlog here. Tanya is just cleaning up the living room because
We like to clean up our entire house before sleeping.
yeah, I
Like,
mean,
keep everything in
you never know. You wake up in the morning and you know you have like 5 million things to get to, and then if suddenly somebody comes, what are you gonna do? First clean up? No. So that's why she doesn't like leaving a kitchen like messy or something, and we both don't like leaving our living room or house messy. So we are just getting to that, cleaning everything, putting everything in the dishwasher. Now for 2 people, we don't really use our dishwasher, like it doesn't really run. We just do it ourselves because there's not so many utensils to wash either ways.
We just use it for drying.
So yeah, we just run the dryer or something in the dishwasher, or just we use to run the rinse because they say otherwise the dishwasher goes bad if you don't use it at all. So sometimes we would just run the rinse in the dishwasher. So anyways, I think that is it for the day, and Marvel is ready to sleep as well. So only if I can fit this in.
What is it?
Okay. So I guess that is it, and we will see you in another vlog. So,
Yep.
you wanna say bye?
Bye
Bye guys.
Good night.
Good night. Weekend is almost here. One more day. TGI.
One more day. Stay strong. Marvel? Marvel, you want to say good night? Here. Marvel. You want to say good night? Say good night.